This is a supplementary video for our research software, Multi-Device Grace. Our goal was to determine the effectiveness of co-located collaborative block-based programming using different devices and cross-device communication.
We focus on three main device types: digital tabletops, mobile tablets, and mouse and keyboard computers. For mouse and keyboard computers, we use an existing block language, tiled Grace, that is based upon the textual programming language Grace. For digital tabletops and mobile tablets, we use our own extensions of tiled Grace that have been redesigned for small and large touch devices.
We refer to these collectively as Multi-Device Grace, the first programming environment to explore collaborative cross-device block programming. Within Multi-Device Grace, we have Tabletop Grace, a block-based programming environment designed for large multi-touch tabletop displays.
Tabletop Grace supports multi-user interaction either in the same workspace or in separate workspaces as required. In this demonstration footage, a tile that calls an existing method is created from the tile by menu. Additional holes that represent method parameters are then added. These can then be filled with tiles to pass values to the method being called. Each tile in Tabletop Grace can be duplicated in place using the tile menu. Here the first method call is duplicated twice, and the parameter values are updated. Mobile Grace for mobile tablets uses the same interaction method as Tabletop Grace. The addition of a touch stylus allows for greater accuracy at the cost of multi-touch interaction. Unlike the tabletop version, Mobile Grace only supports a single user and a single workspace. The method for creating tiles remains largely the same. Here we can see another method calling tile that is being filled in with parameter values. This tile is again duplicated and modified, and the resulting code draws the letter I. The mouse and keyboard system tiled Grace operates in the same manner as Scratch, with a statically located toolbox instead of pie menus for tile creation. Here we see the same method calling tile being filled in with values. And in our modified version of tiled Grace, tiles can be duplicated just like in the touch-based versions.
At this point, each device has created a standalone program that draws a single letter. Each device in Multi-Device Grace can select any single tile or group of tiles within the workspace area.
These tiles can then be sent to other connected devices through the connection menu. Finally, the combined program can be run on the digital tabletop, which draws the letters for Chi.
We conducted a user study with Multi-Device Grace and found that 94% of our 18 participants believed the multi-device functionality was useful for collaboration, with the most common provided reasons being
the ability to split up a task, work on subtasks separately, and combine the result, as well as being able to use whichever device they wished.
89% of participants also reported that Multi-Device Grace would be beneficial in an educational setting,
due to the quick and easy collaboration methods it provides, and the potential for enjoyable group learning activities.
In summary, Multi-Device Grace supports easy collaborative block-based programming across touch-based and mouse-based devices.